Cement does not gain strength immediately after mixing with water. It first undergoes setting, where the paste loses its plasticity and becomes rigid. After that, it undergoes hardening, where strength develops over time. Setting is the initial stage of hydration. It indicates the transition from a workable state to a stiff state. The initial setting time is the time available for mixing, transporting, and placing concrete. The final setting time is when the cement becomes completely rigid and can resist some load. This process is controlled mainly by the reaction of tricalcium aluminate, or C3A, and is regulated by the addition of gypsum. After setting, the process of hardening begins. This is the stage where the cement paste gains strength due to continuous hydration. The compounds C3S and C2S play a major role here. C3S contributes to early strength, while C2S contributes to long-term strength. The formation of calcium silicate hydrate gel, or CSH, binds the particles together and gives strength to concrete. Several factors influence setting and hardening. Higher temperature accelerates hydration but may reduce long-term strength. The water-cement ratio affects both strength and durability. Gypsum controls the rate of setting and prevents flash set. In real engineering practice, controlling setting time is critical. In precast construction, faster setting helps in early demolding and rapid production. In mass concrete structures like dams, slower setting is preferred to reduce heat buildup and prevent cracking. In summary, setting controls workability, hardening controls strength, and both are governed by the hydration of cement. Thanks for watching.